Welcome to Jamaica Citizens Guide. In this video, I'll show you how to become a registered nurse in Jamaica. Nurses, assistant nurses, and midwives are required to be registered with the Nursing Council of Jamaica, NCJ. The Nursing Council of Jamaica, NCJ, is a statutory body set up by the government of Jamaica to regulate and control the professions of nursing and midwifery on the island. The NCJ was established in the year 1952 and operates under the Nurses and Midwifery Act of 1964 and the amendment of 2005. The Nursing Council of Jamaica NCJ's responsibilities include the following: set subject requirements for persons wishing to be trained in the areas of general nursing, midwifery, and assistant nursing. These subject requirements must be adhered to by all nursing schools approved by the NCJ. Another responsibility of the NCJ is to register nurses, midwives, and assistant nurses, whether they are Jamaicans or will work in Jamaica. For persons desiring to become a registered nurse, here are the simplified steps. Step 1. Obtain the required amount of subjects set by the Nursing Council of Jamaica NCJ. If you wish to enter the areas of general nursing and midwifery, you will need to have a minimum of 5 CXC or GCE subjects, 4 of which are compulsory. The 4 compulsory subjects are English language, biology, mathematics, and chemistry or physics. Each compulsory subject must be passed at grades 1 to 3 for CXC, grades A to C for GCE. The one other subject must be from the approved list of subjects and must be passed at grades 1 to 3 for CXC or grades A to C for GCE. If you wish to enter the area of assistant nursing, you will need to have a minimum of 4 subjects, 3 of which are compulsory. The compulsory subjects are English language, biology, and mathematics. Each compulsory subject must be passed at grades 1 or 2 for CXC or grades A or B for GCE. The other subject must be from the approved list of subjects with a pass at grades 1 to 3 for CXC or grades A to C for GCE. So after obtaining the required subjects, it's now time for step 2. Step 2. Enroll at a school or in a program of study that is approved by the Nursing Council of Jamaica. This is important because the NCJ does not recognize certificate from schools it had not approved, except in the cases of midwives and nurses from overseas who were trained and certified overseas and are applying for registration to work in Jamaica. Step 3. Step 3 is the submission of application to the Nursing Council of Jamaica. Upon successful registration, you will be given your registration certificate and registration number. Your registration expires every 2 years and are to be renewed.